Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village today. We're crocheting wire to make a Christmas bracelet, and this is what we've gotten so far. We've just added our colored beads. Now we're going to add a border. A border is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. It just depends on what you like. We're going to add seed beads with silver for our border. And what we're going to do is just put some on our wire, 4 or 5 at a time. Then it's going to go across the top of the bracelet. The wire is going to come back through, and then you just secure it by wrapping the wire through one time. Make sure you pull it tight. If you have to use the pliers, that's fine. Then you're just going to get more beads on your wire. And attach them also. Wire goes through the bracelet. The beads are on the top of the bracelet. And you just wrap the wire around. On some of the bracelets that I have in front of me, we have used this technique to just put beads throughout the bracelet. This one has red. Some of them have clear. You can do the whole bracelet with the border, or just make them go throughout the bracelet.